Well, good morning. This is Thursday, the day 4 of the mornings in the shop. We have got, we're going to have a pretty day, but we have got a few little things to talk about. We got, you remember yesterday when I said that I was going to bring the prairie box down? Well, I did, and I can't believe I remembered it, but let me turn y'all around now and we'll look at this prairie box and I'll show you what I was talking about. So this is the prairie box that I was talking about. This dark wood is African Baduke. Got a handle, got some cherry on the inlay. This light color wood is poplar. And what we've got here, got a cherry bottom. And what we got here is for the seniors that are graduating from high school or college. Most of the ones that these are going to be for is for the high school, graduating high school. What I'll wind up doing before I put it together, I'll put their name, whoever it goes to, with the CNC machine over there. It will have a personalized box. And Monday, y'all don't forget about my top video, spinning tops. So if y'all would just remember that one. Yeah, that spinning top, it like I said, come out 7 a.m. Monday morning. Y'all check that out next week if you would. But you remember the dry sink? You got that serpentine drawer front that I was going to do. Well, I ordered a Spokeshave from Wood River, and I'm gonna take a look at it because I need something that will kind of, I'm hoping this right here will be able to clean the serpentine part, clean that up and get it where I can have a pretty good finish to it. Something besides sandpaper. Well, we might do some sanding whenever last thing, but I need something to get it shaped up. So I have got, I don't know if y'all have ever used one of these, little Spokeshave. It did not come with any instructions, so I don't know if did not. I have been wanting one of these. And when you got something that ain't curved, you can, well, it gets its name from, the old wagon wheel spokes. Well, I ain't got enough out there. It don't have a fine adjustment. I guess you just play with it till you get it like you want it. I'm assuming that right there is the depth of cut, which that might be a lot right there. But anyway, I go and play with this today, and when I get the wood and everything for that dry sink, I'll probably get started on that. Kind of looking forward to it. That's the kind of projects I like. Oh yeah, look at that. Can y'all see that okay? And this is oak. Usually we get a new tool You got a sharpener before you can do anything with it. That is not, you see what I'm talking about? Ain't enough mass there. I thought once about getting me some concrete anchors, anchoring it to the floor. I had to keep it moving around. But I think this is what, oh yeah. Yeah, like I say, well, that was going to be oak. So you need something. I'd say if I sharpened it and put a pretty good edge on it, it'd really be good. Yeah. Yeah, Wood River, Spokeshave, I forget now. My wife got it. I don't know. About $100, I guess. I'm not really not sure. She ordered it online. Went up to Cool Springs. They didn't have any in stock. I never made it down there to Chattanooga. I was going to make me some handles for my hammers. Yeah, I'd get it sawed, get it close, and I make the grip to fit me. Yeah, so like I say, this is day 4. We're going to do this 5. Tomorrow will be the last day I'll do this. But I'm thinking about bringing out mornings in the shop on Fridays. Probably spend about 5 minutes talking about the week or something like that. And see how that goes. But I think I'm going to like that little feller. When I get ready to start that dry sink. Let me show you that dry sink to you. If you didn't see that, I think it was yesterday we looked at this. This is that dry sink. And that serpentine in the front of that's what I'm talking about. I'm going to make that drawer like it. We're going to build us a drawer and 2 doors at the bottom. And it's in pretty good shape. Of course, it needs to be, except for inside, and the top. I think we can refinish that right there. But the sides look really good. That's going to be a project we're going to be doing. I need to round up enough wood to do what I need to do. We're planning on going to the store tomorrow and get us some wood and whatnot. Yeah, so that, say I got the dry sink pitcher. I need to work on it. Get a little big old chip out of it. Remember prairie boxes, I'll be making that before long, here next week or so. But y'all keep eye out for them tops that's going to come out Monday. And other than that, I think we're ready to go. And appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate the response I'm getting. Seems like everything's going well. So, y'all be safe. Y'all have a good day. And I will see y'all on the next one. I will be back in the morning for the 5th one. All right. See you.